So you're thinking about putting your home on the market and you want to make sure that you're going to get the best return on your investment. Well, I'm Kelly Domaille, owner and associate broker of Domaille Real Estate at eXp Realty. I know selling homes is second nature to me, as I've been doing it for over 25 years, and I get nervous Nelly sellers all the time, and of course they should be, as it's a big deal if you sell. Well, these tips hopefully will help. So let's first talk about curb appeal. It's important as it is the first impression that your buyer will get when they arrive at your home. The best thing that you can do is to rent a power washer or have someone come over and do the power washing for you. Either way, you want to wash off the years of dirt from your driveway, your sidewalk, and even the siding of your home. You also want to pay attention to the front door. As an agent, it's going to take me a minute or two to open the lockbox and get the buyers inside. But during this time, it gives them a chance to really look at your entryway while they're waiting to get in. Take a moment to make sure that there's no peeling paint, scuff marks, or even cobwebs around your light fixtures. Next, make sure to work with your agent on staging your home. 77% of buyer agents say that staging a home makes it easier for their buyers to visualize themselves living in it. And staging will help your home stand out against the competition by showcasing the very best features. Also, researchers say that professionally staged homes can actually sell for as much as 10% more than homes that aren't staged. And the good news is, here at Domaille Real Estate, we can provide you with local stagers in the area that are absolutely top in their industry. Now, second, marketing is essential. You are going to want to make sure that you get professional photos done, including aerial drone footage, if you want to showcase your unique location. According to the National Association of Realtors, 67% of buyers walk through a home that they first saw online. So professional photos and videos is an absolute must when preparing your home to sell. Lastly, now that your home is all ready for buyers, you must have a showing plan. Buyers and their agents may request a showing of your home at any time without giving you much notice, so be prepared. Until your home is under contract, it's important to be able to leave your home at a moment's notice if need be. A few things that might help with this is plan simpler meals for easy cleanup. Make plans for outdoor activities. Also, find a place to put your pets during showings. Maybe a family friend or a family member could take care of them while you leave for showings. These tips will help you get your home sold faster and for the amount of money that you deserve. For more information, feel free to call us at Domaille Real Estate. I'm Kelly Domaille, and we love where we live, and we want you to love where you live.